welcome back to another Walmart beauty box unboxing. I am not positive what to title this one because, boy howdy, did you guys have no problem telling me last time that I was incorrect in assuming I had the spring box, which apparently was the winter box. So this time I did try to preview it to see, is this spring or is this summer? But Google was no help, because things on Google are coming up saying both spring and summer with this bag, so I don't freaking know. If any of you guys do know definitively, feel free to let me know in the comments and I'll correct the title of this video with whichever one it is. But as of right now, as of initially posting this, I don't know. So you guys let me know, because I don't freaking know one way or the other. And if no one knows, then I will just leave it as spring/summer. It's just interesting, though, that I got the winter one back in, like, March. And supposedly you're supposed to get 4 of these a year. So I figured every 3 months. 3 months after March would be June. June came and went. July came and went. It's August. I was like, so are they just, like, not doing this? So I canceled my subscription and then re-signed up immediately, seeing if I could get them to mail me whatever the next box was supposed to be that apparently they just dropped the ball on. And they did very quickly, and I have it in my hand. I shit you not, 3 days later, from that point, my friend who signed up initially the same day as I did the first time around was like, hey, guess what showed up in the mail today? I was like, I swear to God, if you say the Walmart beauty box, she's like, yeah! And I was like, okay, alright. I'm fine. I'm totally not salty and pissed. But yeah, that's why I'm like, I don't really know if I have the spring one or the summer one. I'm just pissy that she apparently got a lip balm and I did not in mine. Life goes on. So anyway, let's get into it because I've been babbling and ranting for 2 minutes. So, quick preview. So let's try to find some documentation. Purely pretty. Rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/TP/shopbeautybox or hashtag #WalmartBeautyBox. Enter to win a $100 gift card. Tell us what you think of your Walmart beauty box in a brief survey by visiting brandsharesurvey.com/beautyboxsurvey. So there's that. Is this a documentation? No, it is not. Nor is that. Okay, well, nothing here says one way or the other what season this goes towards, but this is what the bag looks like. And I was seeing this bag in posts claiming both spring and summer, so I'm thinking you guys don't know either. No one knows what this one's for, so, again, spring/summer, because no one freaking knows what is up with this. So, just diving right in here. Unfortunately, this first thing in here I can't use. I'm gonna have to give to Kimmy, and I'll see if I can get her to review it for me, because it has coconut. This is the Dove Refresh Plus Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. Instantly remove oil and refresh hair with the scent of coconut and sweet lime. Makes me so sad, because I bet that smells real friggin' good, but I cannot use it because of the coconut. Let's see. Yeah, it has coconut fruit extract. I absolutely cannot. Makes me sad. Leave it to me to be allergic to the hypoallergenic fruit. Of course. I know, we've had this conversation 20 million times on this channel, but I'm still pissy because I loved coconut when I can still have it. What the hell is this? By Purely Inspired, Collagen Peptides, Grass-Fed and Pasture-Raised Vitality Blend with Biotin. Gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, non-GMO, keto-certified, and certified paleo. Unflavored dietary supplement. So, what is it? 18 amino acids, 18 grams protein, 20 grams of collagen peptides, collagen types 1 and 3, easy to digest. It tells me absolutely nothing. I have hiccups. Great. Not even. I really don't know what this is. Please let me know in the comments what this stuff is, because I get that apparently it's a dietary supplement of some sort that you like mix into, I'm guessing, water or milk, and you drink it. Mix 1 serving with 8 ounces of water or beverage of choice and take once daily. Read the entire label before use and follow directions provided. That's literally all it tells me. Oh, okay. Well, whatever that is, apparently I got that. How about something I can use? Good! A purifying black charcoal mask for hydration and moisture. Premium charcoal sheet mask. It feels really squishy, so I'm thinking there's like a lot of serum in here. This is by SooAE. SOOAE. This powerful, purifying, and rejuvenating marrow charcoal is concentrated in a refreshing sheet mask formulated with unique plant extracts and hyaluronic acid to replenish moisture and soothe skin. Okay, so it's Binchoten Fiber Smart Black Sheet Premium Essence Mask with green tea extract, green caviar extract. There's one you don't see every day. 15 to 20 minutes of relaxation, and Binchoten Charcoal Black Fiber Sheet. I bet it looks super goth. Charcoal is renowned anti-inflammatory, known to purify and brighten the skin. With the added benefits of cultured green tea extract and green caviar extract, one use instantly soothes, hydrates, and boosts skin with moisture and improves elasticity for beautifully smooth, supple, and radiant skin. SooAE's unique, I don't know if I'm saying it, I'm just gonna call it SooAE. SooAE's unique blend of plant extracts are scientifically formulated with herbs based on the wisdom of traditional Korean medicine, ensuring effective synergy and safety, helping to improve the skin's condition. Youthful health and suppleness is restored in a single application. Could use that. Directions: cleanse skin thoroughly and apply toner and or serum. Well, what if we don't have toner? Apply mask to the face, carefully aligning holes for eyes and a mouth. As if we have more than one. Smooth out air pockets with fingertips. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, then remove mask. Take remaining essence and pat into skin. When used in daytime, apply sun protection after use. That's funny, you think I go in the sun. Warning, for external use only. Do not use on damaged or broken skin. Discontinue use if signs of irritation or rash occurs. Discontinue use if symptoms occur upon exposure to sunlight. When using this product, keep out of eyes. Rinse with water to remove. Do not store in areas with extreme heat or cold under direct sunlight. Keep out of reach of children. Use immediately after opening. Okay. So, there's at least one thing I can use in here. 2 things I can use in here. Another one of these. This is like the 3rd sample of this shit I've gotten, like, in the past week. All different flavors. I've got a mint, I've got a strawberry, and apparently this one is fresh mint and coconut oil. Which, thankfully, I can use coconut oil, just not coconut extract. Go figure. Oh, that's a creepy black toothbrush. Again, with the gothness. Fall black in love with oral care. Oh, God. Enter to win a year's supply of hello. Post and tag us in your bright smile selfie. Use Brush Happy. Leaping Bunny certified, globally sourced, made in the USA, printed with soy ink, friendly to the environment, cartons made from FSC certified paper, goodbye BPA free, no phthalates, cruelty free and vegan, testing on animals isn't friendly. Black, white, and friendly all over. Say hello to activated charcoal fluoride-free whitening toothpaste. Activated charcoal made from sustainable bamboo is a natural whitener and detoxifier that removes surface stains and freshens breath. A friendly word of advice, black paste can be messy, so please spit responsibly. Hello is also vegan, made in the USA, and free from artificial sweeteners, SLS sulfates, artificial flavors, dyes, microbeads, triglycerin, gluten, saccharin, and peroxide. Now that's pretty cool. I see what they did there. Never tested on animals. Please tell us what you think. We really give a spit. HelloProducts.com/reviews. Okay. So, I apparently have a 3rd one now. And then finally, the last one that I got in here, I'm actually the most excited for this, because this actually looks really nice, is a Salon Perfect Ready Set Go Brow Kit with It says custom blend, 3 brow shades, 1 illuminating highlighter, which I'm all into highlighters right now. Contents, dual-sided brush. Oh, I guess that is a brush. I'm so dumb I didn't even notice the brush over here because it blended into the packaging. Brow palette with 4 shades. Brow grooming pencil, which I guess is this guy over here. Oh, is that like one of those wax things? Okay, I get that. That's pretty cool. This is worth the price of admission right here, I'm pretty sure, because I mean, the Walmart beauty box is $5, so I'm pretty sure this alone is probably worth more than $5. Just saying. Directions, brush brow hairs upwards with the spoolie end of the brush. Upwards, you say. Blend brow colors to create your perfect brow shade. Apply powder to the brows with the angled end of the brush for precise application. Sweep highlighter under the brows to lift and illuminate your eyes. Set brows in place with the brow grooming pencil. Okay. Okay, I get it. Well, that does make sense now that I see how they explain it. Fair enough. But yeah, I'm totally the most excited for that guy right there. That is actually really cool, I'm not gonna lie. And that's actually like a nice fat sharpener too for this guy. So I'm thinking I finally have something that can handle also my what is it, the NYX Milk, like the jumbo eyeliner stick. It's about the same width as that, so I think it'll totally fit in there, which makes me really happy, because it doesn't fit in my normal sharpener. I'm like, it's getting really dull, and I'd kind of like to use it, so... Yeah, anyway, that is what's in this Walmart beauty box, at least of mine. Apparently they're all slightly different, so that's a thing. Again, don't know if this is for spring or for summer, but it's cool nonetheless, at least of the stuff I can use out of it. So, I mean, 3 products out of 5, I mean... Could have done better, but, you know, at least 3 will get used. The other 2, I know exactly who to give them to, so... Because without knowing what it is, I'm nervous to use it. Maybe I'll feel differently once I know what it is, and then I'll use it, but otherwise I'll give it to Kimmy. She likes diet supplements of any sort, so I could always give it to her. So, anyways, that is it for this one, guys. So, as usual, you guys know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, Facebook fan page, I think I did not say. I did these out of order, so I lose my spot. Everything and more, it's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. So anyway, guys, until next time, bye-bye.